In this video, you will see the cheapest way to get from Oslo Gardermoen Airport to Oslo city center. The cheapest and most recommended way to get from the airport to Oslo is by taking a train operated by V. The journey takes 23 minutes. Be careful. Flytoget trains also run from the airport, but while they are 4 minutes faster, they are twice as expensive. You can buy VV train tickets online through their website, via the official app, or directly at the station. The current price is 129 Norwegian kroner, which is 11.36 euros. After picking up your luggage, exit through this door and you will find yourself here. Follow the video and walk straight until you see a large ticket sign and the train departure board. If you plan to buy your ticket at the station, I recommend watching one of my videos with a step-by-step guide on how to do it. The link will be in the video description. Here you have the option to buy tickets in person. If you already have your ticket, simply follow the information signs to your designated train. We took the R11 line towards Skien from platform 4. The train is comfortable and spacious, with the option to charge your phone. There should also be Wi-Fi available. However, in my experience, while I was able to connect, the speed was very slow, and loading a web page was quite a challenge. Enjoy the scenic views of the beautiful Norwegian landscape along the way, and don't forget to get off at Oslo Central Station. Have a great trip and see you in the next tutorial. Bye!